lesson, we will master the three binomial formulas, sometimes called the three binomial identities. We will build intuition with an area diagram, then apply each identity to quick and clear examples. The three identities are 1. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. 2. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And 3. A plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. First, let us build an intuitive picture for the first identity, a plus b squared. Think of a plus b as a total length divided into two parts, A in red and b in blue. Now draw a square whose side length is a plus b. We will cut it into four regions. A green square of area a squared, two orange rectangles, each of area a times b, and a blue square of area b squared. Adding the four areas gives exactly a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is why a plus b squared expands to that sum. Let us connect the picture to the formula. The total area is a squared plus ab plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is exactly the first identity. We can color match. A squared is the green square, 2ab is the two orange rectangles, and b squared is the blue square. Quick example using the first identity. Compute 7 plus 2 squared. We apply a squared plus 2ab plus b squared with it equals 7 and b equals 2. That is 49 plus 2 times 7 times 2 plus 4. So we get 49 plus 28 plus 4, which is 81. Next, the second identity. The pattern is the same, but the middle term changes sign. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. You can see this by expanding a minus b times a minus b. A times it is a squared, a times negative b is negative ab, negative b times is negative ab, and negative b times negative b is plus b squared. The two negative ab terms add to negative 2ab. Now an example. Expand x minus 5 squared. Using the identity, we get x squared minus 2 times x times 5 plus 25. So that is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Finally, the product of conjugates. A plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. To see why, just expand. A times of is a squared, a times negative b is negative ab, b times it is positive ab, and negative b times positive b is negative b squared. The negative ab and the positive ab cancel out, leaving only a squared minus b squared. Now, a quick mental math example. Compute 12 plus 3 times 12 minus 3. That is 12 squared minus 3 squared, which is 144 minus 9 equals 135. To summarize, a plus b squared expands to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b squared expands to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b times a minus b simplifies to a squared minus b squared. A helpful memory tip is, same sign inside the square means the middle term keeps that sign, and conjugates always cancel the middle terms, leaving a difference of squares.